Hi brothers, is your hair looking weak? No volume, no lift, nothing you try seems to work? It looks good right after the shower but collapses within an hour. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm giving you a 14-day scalp technique that will make your hair look thicker, fuller, and stronger. And most men have never even heard of it. This isn't about buying expensive products. This is about waking up your scalp. Because when the scalp wakes up, your entire look transforms. Let's get into it. Most men misunderstand hair thinning. They think, my hair is falling out. My hair is getting weaker. My texture changed. But the truth is, your hair isn't the real problem. Your scalp is tight, dry, and sleeping. When the scalp is stiff, blood flow is low, oxygen is low, and the root can't lift. That's why your hair looks flat, thin, and lifeless. I lived through this for years. I tried gels, powders, volumizing sprays. Nothing worked because I wasn't treating the source, the scalp. The day I fixed that, everything changed. So let's break down this technique. First, the warm towel. Take a towel, soak it in hot water, squeeze it out, and press it onto your scalp for 40 seconds. Don't skip this. Heat boosts circulation, softens the scalp tissue, and opens the follicles. Your hair cannot gain volume if the scalp is stiff. That is why barbers use hot towels before they style. They know the secret that most men don't approve. Next comes the heart of the method, scalp activation. Use your fingertips, never your nails, and massage your scalp in small circular motions. Start at the temples, move up the sides, then the crown, then the back, then the hairline. Do this for about 3 minutes. What you're trying to do is gently move the scalp over the bone. If you can feel the skin sliding even slightly, you're doing it right. Within a few days, you'll feel warmth, tingling. That's blood flow returning. That's your scalp waking up. Now let me give you a trick that instantly boosts volume even if you've never had thick hair. When your hair is slightly damp, grab a towel and gently press upward from the roots. Don't scrub. Lift. This trains the roots to stand upward instead of lying flat. Even very fine hair responds to this because volume isn't really about products. It's about root direction. If the roots point upward, you look like you have twice as much hair. If they point down, everything looks flat. Simple physics. Another big mistake men make is shampooing the entire hair shaft. Shampoo is for the scalp, not the hair strands. Scrubbing shampoo into your ends dries them out, kills shine, and destroys volume. From now on, massage shampoo only into your scalp. Let the foam run down and clean the rest. This protects your natural oils, which are essential for fuller-looking hair. This one change alone can transform your hair in 10 days. Now for the final trick that keeps your hair lifted all day. When drying, flip your head forward, blow warm air from the roots upward, and shape the lift. Then finish with cool air. Warm air forms the shape. Cool air locks it in. This is a barber secret. And once you try it, you'll understand why your hair could never keep its volume before. Brothers, if you follow all these steps consistently for 14 days, you will absolutely see a difference. A softer scalp, stronger roots, more lift, fuller sides, and thicker looking hair overall. Because the truth is, it was never your hair that was the issue. It was a sleeping scalp. Wake it up, and you wake up your entire appearance. And the best part? This takes only a few minutes a day. But the change it creates in your confidence is huge. When your hair looks strong, you feel strong. You walk different. You look different. You carry yourself different. Remember, brothers, strong hair comes from a strong routine. If you stay consistent, you will become a stronger version of yourself every day. If you want more hidden grooming tricks and men's glow-up methods like this, stay strong and follow us. Hit that subscribe button, join the brotherhood, and let's keep leveling up together. You got this.